Hey there, my MLO is here, and today we're gonna check out how you can install or download a custom building or map or YMap, MLO, whatever you wanna call it, into your FiveM server. So there's two ways. There's a free way and there's a paid or subscription-based way. So let's open my browser real quick. You will see here we are at GTA 5 mods. I'll leave a link in the description. This is the free way. People here post their open source or their maps, their work, like these vehicles here, this building over here you can see. But this can be for single player, can be for like FiveM, can be for Rage MP. This is not specifically for FiveM. If you wanna go with the paid way, which will be something like checking out a developer like Gabs, you'll see that they make custom maps on like a monthly basis. They have a lot of custom maps you can check out, from like this discos to casino to a lot of cool maps, police, shops, ammunition, anything. They make a lot of maps. They are very good. So this is not, the video is not sponsored, but we'll just mention them because they make very good maps and their work is pretty lit. So let's go back to our freeway here. So to install a map from our GTA 5 mods, which is basically the best and free and safest way, you will go here, press on the maps icon. Either you go and search for a map yourself, or let's, for example, if you want to like look for, let's say, Los Santos customs, you will see that there's many Los Santos custom here, but we need to find something that has FiveM. As you can see there, it says FiveM. This one has FiveM, so you'll just press on whatever that has FiveM, and we'll just press download over here. After opening the RAR file that we just downloaded, we will just go in here to say C5M, then you will see the IGRO 45 LS customs. So we'll just export this out here. Let's put this on the side and open your FiveM files path. And I'm gonna put it in new folder and I'm gonna call it stream. And we'll just double check that we have the stream in the config that we have. We'll just ensure and the same name stream here. We save it and you go back here. Now we have stream insured, so we'll just bring our resource inside of here, and let's open this up the server and test out our new map. I'll be back. And here we go. We are at the new Los Santos Customs. As you can see, the inside looks, yeah, it's reworked. We got a hearse up there. The interior is here. As you can see, got the place looking better now. And that's it, folks. Now we know how you can add in custom buildings to your FiveM servers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more FiveM tutorials and tips. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!